This is the video I didn't really want to make. Battery exhausted, she says. I'm fucking exhausted. Right everyone, my name's Paul, this is Milehouse Studios. This is an opinion video. I don't normally do these, but everyone else is doing them, so I'm gonna do it because my comment section is being ruined by the politics in the guitar world. So I'm gonna make a bold statement. I don't give a fuck about anything going on with any of the big wigs. Cease and desist this, stick it up your ass. I don't care because I don't think it really affects me. I mean, it might do in some small way, but it doesn't really. The internet is full of people playing guessing games. Oh, but this, and this. There are lawyers in comment sections in the other people's videos, which some of them are very good videos, well thought out by people with more knowledge of the game and all the enterprise and all the fucking bureaucracy than I know. So go and watch their videos. If Tim Pierce tells you something, just believe it, because everyone wishes he was their dad. Yup! He's lovely, isn't he? If Phil McKnight tells you something, he's probably got it from someone inside, a source, because he knows people, because he's been doing it for years. So that's lovely. But in the comment section of those videos are lawyers, solicitors, if you're in the UK. They always start the comment with, been a lawyer for 35,000 years, since the fucking pyramids. But even they don't agree. So what the fuck are you sticking your opinion in about? I'm boycotting this, I'm boycotting. You do you. I do not care. Whatever your opinion is, that's fine with me. I'm not going to get emotional. I could have Dave on one side, sat here eating fucking crayons, right? Because his wife's left him and he's really upset. And he thinks he's going to boycott Fender and never buy a Strat again. And then I've got Cedric over here, is equally as fat, but it's because he lives next door to a Greg's and he's only got £6 a week to spend on fucking pastries. And he loves Fender and he thinks they're doing the right thing. I don't give a fuck what either of these fat cunts think. And you shouldn't give a fuck what I think. That's the secret to the internet. Don't get woven in. So while you're here, let's talk about some other things that I don't give a fuck about. Number one, wait for it, being Tonewood.
Oh, fuck off!
I do not care. I'm a guitar maker. I do not care about Tonewood. The debate fucking grates my cheese. Right? It's just so old news. It's guitar Brexit. Once there's been 5 videos on a subject, that subject should fuck off because I don't care about it. Here's some examples. I'll make a guitar out of solid black limber. Sexy. Why am I using that? Because it fucking looks nice. I'll then make a guitar out of an old 50-year-old mahogany mantelpiece with some strips of wenge and shit. Why have I put them in there? Because they look nice. And on the front, resin and fabric. Why have I used that? Because it's pretty and I like it. That's why. You pick a guitar up, when you walk into a guitar shop, you don't go, oh, I wonder which is made of the most sustainable materials.
How dare you?
Do you fuck? You don't look at them and go, oh, I'm only going to play a Fender made of alder because that's what Leo Fender had in his conceptual mind back in the day. Do you fuck? It's under a load of paint and poly finish. I'm only playing with nitro. I'll make guitars out of purple things. Bit of crappy oak that was on a forest floor. Glary makes them out of wildebeest toenail clippings and whatever other shit they can find on the factory floor. They sweep it up and they turn it into guitars. Banger of a Strat, that is. Don't judge a book by the shelf it's on. Does Tonewood have an effect on a guitar? Yeah, probably. Is it measurable? No. Is it fuck? 2 identical bits of wood can sound different in different ways and vibrate differently because the cosmos has fucking made them that way because of the stardust. Who cares? I don't care. What pickups are in it? What amp are you playing it through? Are you any good or does everything sound shit because you've never actually practiced? And does the guitar look nice? Because if it looks nice, you're going to pick it up and it's going to get your fucking juices flowing every time. That's all I care about. Tonewood debate over for me. What else has been annoying me? And the next thing I can't stand is women with lip fillers. Fucking hell, you look like a dog toy. What are you doing to yourselves? Fuck off, Jacko. Well, that's a good example, actually, Jacko. Thanks, mate. No one's ever going to know if he did it or he didn't. That's fine. Don't have an opinion. Don't fall out with people in comment sections. He might have fucking jerked himself off looking at the assholes of miners. No one knows. You'll never know the truth. That's fine. Just be happy. I don't know if anyone ever walked on the moon. I reckon they probably did. Fucking thousands of people would stab me in the eye with a fish fork just to say that they didn't. But they don't know. No one knows. You've got to get through the world these days not knowing. It's okay not to be right and not to know. That's fine. Once you get that through your fucking thick skull, life is a hell of a lot easier. I'll tell you, it is just like my dad, right? Cringy as it is, he used to say, Paul, I like to go through life like that. He didn't. He had more peaks and troughs than a fucking mountain range. It was an absolute nightmare, but he tried his best. I do a better job of it because I avoid anyone who fucking lives up here. Like drama. My life's on EastEnders. Blah, blah, blah. If you've ever left a negative comment on a video, and I have in the past, not intentionally, but something that could be conceived as being negative, and now I've been on the receiving end of some fucking howlers, I don't do it anymore because if you ever get into a to and fro with someone in the comment section, like a 3-part conversation where you've both got a bit, fucking aircon's just kicked in. Oh, he's got remote control aircon. Yeah, it's because in the UK, it gets warm for 5 days a year. You've got to be prepared. If you've had a 2 or 3-way discussion with someone, a shitty one, in the comment section, I guarantee it will only form a pit of anxiety in there, and it's not good, right? It's not good. So don't... It's lovely and quiet now, isn't it? I probably should have turned that off before I started filming. That's another thing out the way. The next thing that annoys me, right, is Asian guitars, things that are made of Chinese, are inferior and shit. You are living 30 years ago in your brain, and we all do that. You get to a certain age and your musical taste stops, doesn't it? I still listen to the same music I did, well, not in the 90s. I don't listen to Oasis anymore. Fuck that. Definitely Maybe was the only good album for me. Controversy, oh, and I don't like Stone Roses. I was more of a Nirvana man. Pearl Jam, love it. But you freeze. Modern music to me sounds like utter fucking claptrap. Woo! God, lots of things annoy me, but not enough to comment about it. Please avoid writing anything to do with a Fender lawsuit in my comment section because I don't care. It's fucking boring. So boring. I forgot what I was going to say now. See, I've got on a rant, and people love a rant, and I'm having a rant. So let's have a rant. I enjoy Henning's rants. They're good. Because the geezer knows what he's talking about. He knows a hell of a lot more than fucking me, and that's a shitload more than most of you. So that's fine, isn't it? I'm going to put a wax finish on this, Renaissance wax, if you're wondering. Come and watch my build series. They're on Fridays. They're way better. On a Monday, I've fixed the QC issues on guitars of all price ranges that should never have left the factory in that state. So that's very interesting, useful knowledge. And on a Friday, I was going to say it's a more serious build series. They're not normally that serious, but if you want to make a guitar, they might be useful. They might not. Hopefully not too useful, but hopefully a bit useful. But either way, we do some different things on the channel, and this is one that we're building at the minute. This is an offset Music Man. One of the ways I like to twist body shapes is, in my laser software, this is, I forget what the fucking make of Music Man guitar it is, or what, it's something or another. And basically I can twist and contort that body shape and make my own. It's very simple to do, and it just gives it a slightly different angle and look. You can do the same with the headstocks. So if I offset a body shape, it's not the same body shape, is it? So anyone that wants to sue me can stick it right up the anus. And if I did ever get a cease and desist letter, I would make space for it up here and frame it, because it would be lovely. Absolutely lovely. Tickety boo. So what else fucking pisses me off? People that say, oh, it's easy doing what you do with all the tools you've got. It's not easy amassing all these tools, mate. I've worked very hard for 25 years in the carpentry industry. So go fuck yourself. This is the result of all the graft in the world. Dealing with customers in their houses for 20 years going, oh, I don't like where you put that kitchen knob. You're a knob, mate. But thankfully, your missus is quite fit, and it's the only reason I'm still here after 2 weeks. That's what I went through. Oh, lovely jubbly. Nothing else really pisses me off. The secret to life, everyone, is don't get wrapped up in all the wankery that you read online, because you're reading something that you can never fact check. Even the websites that say they fact check, They can't have all the facts. It's just a load of fucking crap. By the time the news gets to you, it is not news, it's bullshit.
That's good advice.
And that's a lovely way to be, right? So good luck with that. Take that with you. That was short and sweet. This is a Wednesday video. I don't normally do Wednesday videos. I don't think there's even a cut or a take in this. I don't think it's even long enough for me to earn any revenue. But you can like and subscribe if you want to see me take the piss out of some shit guitars, fix up some really good guitars that just need a little bit of love, or make some fabulous stuff from scratch, because that's really where my art lies. And I make quite a few of them a year. Come and watch. Ciao for now. Special wave, dickheads. All complaints about things you know fuck all about belong in the same department as all the rest of the bullshit. In my shitbox. Incidentally, anyone know how to work a 3D printer? I ain't got a fucking clue.